how to transfer contacts from Android to iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, using Google Account Sync. One of the easiest and most reliable ways to transfer contacts from Android to iPhone is with Google Sync. Most Android devices should be set up to sync with Google, but just in case, let's make sure yours is properly configured. If you are using the Android phone, go to the Settings app and scroll down and select Google or Accounts. After that, tap your Google account, then tap Account Sync and simply toggle on the Sync Google option available there, and be sure Contacts tab is toggled on as well. Now go to your iPhone and tap on the Settings app in it. Now simply scroll down and look for the Mail app option available there, and if your iPhone is just updated to iOS 18, then simply look for the Apps option, which is at the bottom. Once you tap on the app, look for the Mail option inside it and tap on the Mail. Once you tap on the Mail, all you have to do is tap on the Accounts. Now there, tap on the Add Account. Then simply tap on the Google and enter your Google account credentials and login. Make sure that when added, the toggle alongside contact is on. Your contacts should now sync with your iPhone. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.